Why are molders important?
In plastic injection molding, molders configure the machines according to the job specifications to produce the best parts possible. Part of this setup includes mold changes. After a mold is changed, molders run sample parts to ensure that processing issues are addressed before the production run. Production scheduling relies heavily on coordination between the molders, quality control, and maintenance, ensuring that the right jobs are running on the right machine at the right time. Once production is started, molders continually monitor the process. Adjustments are made to account for variables that can affect the quality of the part. Molders also document molding parameters and procedures for new machinery. And that's why molders are important at Funkorama Plastics.